figure out the equation of this line, then I have to first look at the slope. I use the slope form here, the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And once I have that, I put in my information for my 2 points, which go down here. Once I have that, I'd make sure to change this double negative into a positive because that's what double negatives turn into. Then I go ahead, I get 12 over negative 8, which I know 4 is a common number for both of these. So I divide and I get 3 over negative 2. Now, once I have that information, that is my slope. And that is going to be going into this slope-intercept form, which is y minus y1 equals our slope, which is shown by m, and then x minus x1. So now I look at, okay, I have y1 equals negative 6 because I want all my components to be organized myself. And then I have my slope, it's 3 over negative 2. And then my x, which is the x to the 1, which is 8. Then I do my first one, which is y minus negative 6 equals to 3 over negative 2, and then we distribute that to x minus 8. Then I look at that, I say, okay, I distributed this to this, and I turn this into a positive, which is why this is a plus sign here again. So I have y plus 6 is equal to 3 over negative 2x plus 12. So you're probably asking, where does the 12 come from? So, because wasn't there this 3 over negative 2 is being distributed to this negative 8, which is what this process is. Then I say, okay, I know that 8 as a whole number looks as like a fraction, 8 over 1. So I have 3 over 2 times, and then I'll put my little dot here to show multiplication. I multiply 3 by negative 8, which gets me negative 24, and then negative 2 times 1, which is negative 2. That's 12. Afterwards, I would go ahead and do the work to get the y on its own over here, because that's my goal, is I want to get this y on its own. So once I have that done, you're going to do that by doing minus 6 to both the 6 here, which is going to make this 0, and thus it's just y equals, and over here, 12 minus 6, which should get you the final answer, which I'll show in, we'll show purple, with the equation of this line being y equals negative plus 6, 3 over negative 2x plus 6. And here is a fun way to test it and show that this is actually true, because it's a good thing that to test it out and make sure that we're correct about the work we've done so far. So let me go ahead and erase this real quick. And then, so if I have my x is equal to negative 8, then I know that if this equation of this line is correct, my y should be equal to negative 6. Negative 6. That's kind of what I know. That if this is true, then this is going to mean that if I put this 8 into my equation of the line, that basically it should come out as that. So we have, I'll put my equation in here. I have y is equal to 3 over negative 2 x plus 6. So then I'm going to go ahead and put, for this one, I'm going to put in 3 over negative 2 times 8 plus 6, which if I go ahead, I'm going to just double check on my own. I have 3 over negative 2 times 8 plus 6, and I get negative 6, and I check that just to confirm. I know that was going to be the answer, but on my calculator here, which, let me see if I can show this easily, but that's just to double confirm and make sure. So yeah, So this is how you would figure out the equation of a line that passes through the points 8, -6, and 0.